Did you know your Android phone stores every Wi-Fi password you've ever used? While that's great for convenience, it can be a bit security mystery if you actually need to see those characters. And although the ability to view those characters aren't available on all Android devices, in this video we'll be unlocking those info so you can share your connection or log in on a new device without the headache. Now on your Android phone, this is quite easy to do. Now while using your Android phone, when you open settings and go to network and internet, you'll see your Wi-Fi option. Now when you tap on this, you'll see any available connection you currently have. Now for this to work, you must be connected to that mobile hotspot. Simply tap on the settings on the mobile hotspot you're connected to here. And in this section where it says share, where you're seeing the QR code, you want to tap on this. You'll be asked to unlock your device. Go ahead and unlock your device. And you'll be able to see the QR code as well as your password. Now, if you find that you can't see the password to the network you're connected to, it's also very easy for you to get this info. Now, what you want to do is take a screenshot. And once you have a screenshot, you want to go to the App Store on your device. So simply open the App Store. And then in the search section here, you want to search for QR and barcode scanner. You find several options here. Simply look for this one, which is a QR barcode scanner. Install the application, and once it's installed, go ahead and open the application. After opening the application, you want to tap on scan image in this section, and the image which you just screenshotted, you want to tap on the image and then tap on done. The next step is to crop the image so only the QR code is showing. So I'm going to do that in this section. And once you have it cropped, you want to tap on the check mark at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll see the network name at the top and you'll see the password at the bottom of WPA. So that's how easy it is for you to view and share your Wi-Fi password. So if you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, and have the post notification turned on.